Good morning, dear children. Welcome to second standard GK. So, in this section, we are going to continue the activity 5 crossword fun. So, crossword fun means குறுக்கெழுத்து புதிர் விளையாட்டு. Okay, so complete the crossword with the help of the picture clues. So, there are some clues given below. Do you see that box? So, there are the clues. So in these pictures they give the clues. So we see the first picture, one red toothbrush is there. So we see the spellings this picture in each box. Okay, so we write brush. The spelling is given this box. So we see this brush is the first one. So we write brush. How to write? From left to right we write. In this direction we write. So what is the spelling? Brush. B R U S H. Brush. Okay, and the second one is one house is there. So we write from top to bottom. So in this direction we write. So brush is the word. So H is the last letter to start in house. Okay, so H is already is there. So we write next letter O U S E, house. Okay, like that we write left to right and top to bottom. Like that we write. Okay, so and third one is one bird is there. So the name of the bird is duck. So we write duck. D U is already there. D U C K, duck. And the fourth one is who is he? He is the king. So we write king. What is the spelling king? K I N G, king. From top to bottom we write king. Okay, like that. Fifth one, this yacht. So the spelling of yacht, Y-A-C-H-T. Okay, so from top to bottom we write yacht. Y-A-C-H-T, yacht. And sixth one is one red apple is there. So the spelling is A-P-P-L-E, apple. Okay, then seventh one, top to bottom we write leaf. This picture is leaf. So what's the spelling leaf? L is already there. So L-E-A-F, leaf. And eighth one, from left to right we write. Eighth one, this picture is flower vase. So we write 4 letters only. So in this clue they give vase. So we write V-A-S-E, vase, flower vase. And ninth one, left to right we write gate. This picture is gate. So we write G-A-T-E, gate. Okay. So okay students. So next one we see the revision exercise 3. And the A option is match the flags with their countries. So the column A is denotes the different countries' flag, and column B is denotes the different country names. Okay, so we will match this. First one is the black and white dragon. So this flag is belongs to Bhutan. And second one center of the flag one sun is there. So this flag is belongs to Bangladesh. And third one, this flag have some small stars and one big star is there. This flag is belongs to China. And fourth one lion animal is there. This flag is belongs to Sri Lanka. And fifth one, they have three colors: saffron, white, and green. The center of the flag, one Asok Chakra is there. There are 24 strokes in this Asok Chakra in blue color. This flag is our national flag. So this flag is belongs to India. And B option match the following. So in this matching, column A is denotes for countries and column B denotes for people of the country. So Mexico is a country, the peoples are called Mexican. Second one, Norway is a country, that peoples are called Norwegian. And third one, Japan is a country, those peoples are called Japanese. And fourth one, Holland is a country, that peoples are called Dutch. And fifth one, Scotland is a country, that peoples are called Scot. Okay, then C option, fill in the blanks. The Table Mountain is located in dash. So here is the Table Mountain, already we see in previous class. So it's located in South Africa. So we write the Table Mountain is located in South Africa. South, South Africa. Okay. And second one, the Sydney Opera House is located in dash. This one, the Sydney Opera House is located in Australia. Here in this place, the Sydney Opera House is located. So we write the Sydney Opera House is located in Australia. Australia, Australia. Okay. And third one, the Angkor Wat is located in dash. Here Angkor Wat is located in Cambodia. Is located in Cambodia here. So we write the Angkor Wat is located in Cambodia. 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 And fourth one, Machu Picchu is located in dash. This Machu Picchu is located in Peru. So we write Machu Picchu is located in Peru. 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 And fifth one, the Eiffel Tower is located in. The Eiffel Tower is located in France. So we write France. 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 Okay, thank you students.